Most ROI calculations in industrial automation look great on paper because they ignore where projects actually lose time, and that can cost factories millions. Because most ROI models only measure development costs, not the delays, rework, and integration effort, but it's those that can actually kill projects. That's why we built something to make those factors visible, the Xentara ROI calculator. Here, you can model your real project setup, like your industry, the type and scope of your project, team size and expense, and your project duration. As you change the inputs, the impact updates instantly. This gives you a much more realistic view of where time and costs are actually being lost, especially in integration-heavy projects. Because in most industrial software projects, the bottleneck isn't the development, it's everything around it. If you want to see what that looks like in your setup, the calculator is free. You find the link in the post or comments.